Welcome to TFBTV, guys. Kaya here, IWA 2026 Nürnberg, Germany. I've got my friend Danielle from Victrix Arms. Dude, great seeing you again.
So, thank you guys for being here, also this year.
This year is, because I was here last year as well, but we want to talk about a special system that they have over here. They're known as pretty much like the Bugatti of bolt guns out there, and I've actually shot these Victrix bolt guns before. They're absolutely incredible. And they've got this new model called the Corvo, and you got the big one, but you have that short one, and I really want to know all about that. Just tell us all about it, please.
Yeah, so this is the Corvo CS, so it means compact system, because our standard for Corvo, that's our platform from 50 BMG, was 27 inches barrel. The compact system will be 18. I know what I'm thinking about. It's too short for a 50.
I was thinking about that. It is pretty short. Like, who asked for this? Did anybody ask for this?
Yeah, so some Italian special forces asked us to build a very compact system with a 50 BMG for counter-terrorism and urban context, of course. And also with heli shooting is perfect, so it's very balanced, also on helicopters. If you fold the stock, you can put it in a gym bag, do the job, go home. No one will ever see you, that you have a 50 in your bag.
Of course, so one of the reasons why you have a short barrel, obviously folding stock, is for transportation purposes, but this thing, it seems like it weighs a lot. What does it weigh?
It weighs, just rifle of course, 12.5 kilograms.
Okay.
So of course it's still heavy, but you have a 50. Yeah, you can stop vehicles, structures, etc., etc., with a 50 in a urban context, without being seen. Okay.
Yeah, of course. So the 50 caliber was originally designed for to be an anti-material caliber, and then later on it was turned into anti-personnel as well. And turns out it's very effective, obviously. But obviously there's some limitations for a 50 as well for long-distance shooting, some precision shooting. There's other calibers out there. So they specifically asked us to use it for anti-material or shorter distances?
Yeah, so of course you can shoot with this rifle at very, very big distances as a standard 50 BMG, but you can shoot it a kilometer also more, so you can go up to 3 kilometers, but within 1.5 kilometers you are good. So.
Gotcha. Very good. All right, let's talk about some of the specs. So you have a giant breakout there, which I believe you definitely need it. What is included in the package? Is it available in the United States? The MSRP, all of that stuff.
Yeah, so starting from the action. So action and bolt is our standard for 50 BMG, so very big of course. Stainless steel, also the barrel, and also the muzzle brake. PVD coating on the action and bolt. The barrel is Cerakoted, and also the muzzle brake. So you have very high level coatings on all the line of fire. Then you have our own trigger. So this is the professional trigger, so double stage trigger, 1,200 grams roughly of trigger pull. Then starting from the back, we have our quick adjustments buttstock with this very aggressive design. Picatinny on the bottom for the monopod that is included, and we build it, of course, with our Rome Accessories brand. Then we have our folding system, so standard from Victrix, very stable, very...
wobble,
yeah,
stable,
exactly,
right?
yes. QD mountings all over the rifle. Very short central part, so M-LOK on both sides for, let's say, Picatinny relays, buttons for thermals, night vision, laser, etc. Big magazine, of course, polymer magazine, 5 rounds, single stack, single feed. You have also a barricade stop that is removable, so for, as I told you, urban context.
Yep.
If you need to put it on the window or something like that. And a very short forend, because you can mount our big silencer on that, and it goes all over the barrel. Okay, that's why it's so short.
Okay.
But you have M-LOKs on both sides and also on 45 degrees, and 45 MOA Picatinny on top.
Very well. Thanks a lot for that information. Is this thing available in the United States? What's the price on this?
Yeah, it is available, of course.
Okay.
The retail is 11,000 roughly,
Okay.
and you will have the rifle, 2 magazines, the monopod, the bipod also, and a cleaning kit, your sling, so full kit. Of course, the scope is not included, but
Oh, bummer.
yeah.
Yeah. So,
So
do you
the
have
retail is 11,000. So in the United States, of course, it depends on dealers and import laws.
Okay.
So.
Yeah. So you could potentially find it a little bit lower. Do you? I mean, 50 caliber obviously not is an incredible caliber, but do you have any other caliber offerings for Corvo specifically?
No, the Corvo platform is just in 50 BMG.
Okay. Very well, very well. I look forward to actually using this someday. I have shot the Pujo.
Yes.
Yeah, that's in 308, chambered in 308. Incredible platform. The 50, obviously, I'm assuming just as good, if not better. So Danielle, thanks a lot for your time. Appreciate it.
Thank
man.
you.
Thank you.